So in here, guys, we've got a banana. We're just going to smash this down. By the way, while I'm mashing this, just to let you know, I have got my frying pan on a medium-high heat, so that's going to be nice and warm for me when I add this in. Then we're going to crack in 1 egg. Here we go. And we're going to give this a little mix to begin with our fork so it doesn't get stuck on our whisk. Get that in, we're going to add in our self-raising flour. In we go on top. Any kind of flour will work for this, which is plain or gluten-free or buckwheat for extra flavour. Here we go, mixing it together, adding a tiny pinch of salt in just to help things combine and give us some flavour. Add a little bit of butter to the bottom of my frying pan. You can see it's nice and hot. It's going to start straight away, and then as soon as that's ready, we're going to drop in a spoonful of my pancake batter. There we go. Now, while this is cooking, these are some frozen berries that I got. Some lovely raspberries, my favourite here. We're going to add a little squeeze of lemon over the top. Half lemon, but I'm going to go a little squeeze to begin with because berries can be quite sour. And all we do with this is just use the back of the spoon to mash these down like so. Give them a little stir, just a little pinch of sugar, just in here to help bring that flavour out. Here we go, guys. That's a really simple, super quick berry compote there. You see this just beginning to set around the edges, so I'm going to go underneath with my flipper. I'm going to pat down. Look how much colour we've got already. And serve up, give that another flip. Waiting for the colour on that one, but guys, I'll show you a nice dollop of raspberries on top of that. Beautiful pancakes, ready to eat, super quick, super healthy, super easy. Happy Pancake Day.